Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home decor and crafting solutions. Today, we're diving into the world of creative possibilities with the best cursive letters for wall decor, the Cregugua 3-inch wooden letters. These unfinished wood letters are perfect for adding a personal touch to your space, and we can't wait to show you why they're a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Each package includes a whopping 284 pieces, featuring 104 uppercase and 180 lowercase letters. Measuring approximately 3 inches by 3 inches, these letters are crafted from high-quality plywood. They have been carefully designed to ensure a smooth surface, no knots or rough spots, allowing for easy painting or embellishing. Imagine the possibilities. You can spell out inspirational quotes, create unique names for your children's rooms, or even craft custom decorations for special occasions like birthdays or weddings. The cursive design of these letters adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, transforming any wall into a stunning focal point. These wooden letters are not just functional, they are a blank canvas for your creativity. Whether you prefer a classic, rustic look or a vibrant pop of color, the unfinished surface allows you to personalize them to your heart's content. Paint, stain, or add glitter. The only limit is your imagination. And installation? It couldn't be simpler. With lightweight letters that are easy to handle, you can effortlessly adhere them to any surface. Whether you choose to use adhesive, nails, or even a hot glue gun, setting up your customized decor is a breeze. When your package arrives, you'll find everything neatly packed, ready for your next creative project. With a thoughtful design and durable material, the Cregugua wooden letters are built to last, ensuring your decor remains beautiful for years to come. Whether you're decorating for a holiday, a special event, or simply want to add a bit of flair to your home, these wooden letters are an excellent choice. Their versatility means they fit seamlessly into any theme, be it whimsical, elegant, or contemporary. So if you're ready to elevate your decor game, look no further than the Cregugua 3-inch wooden letters. They truly are the best cursive letters for wall decor, and your creativity will shine through every design. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab your own set and unleash your artistic flair. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing product reviews. Happy crafting!